session, we will talk about how to perform a direct mount by using workflows. Workflows can automate access to the captured database. Workflows can present data is either a direct mount or live clone. I'm going to demonstrate how to create an Oracle database workflows by using a direct mount. First, log into Actifio desktop and navigate to Application Manager. On the left-hand side, select App, then Local, then Oracle, and select the database for which you want to create the workflow. And then navigate to Workflow tab, which is highlighted on the top menu strip. Select Workflow tab. By default, the Use Live Clone and Direct Mount options are disabled. Now, assign a name to your workflow by entering a name in the Workflow Name section. Now you can see Live Clone and Direct Mount options are enabled. As I am demonstrating Direct Mount, so I'm going to select Direct Mount option. Also, when I'm highlighting Direct Mount option, there is a green arrow link enabled showing the workflow direction between backup images and the mount image. Click on Direct Mount option. A new screen will appear with the mount settings option. Now you can see two options under schedule type. The first one, scheduled, and the second one is on demand. Scheduled option. Then you have to fill additional two options that are schedule and the source image detail. But as a part of this demo, I'm going to choose on demand option. The moment you select on demand option, schedule and source image options will disappear from the screen. Now, give some name to the options label. You can give any name. Under host option, select a target host on which you want to perform the direct mount. Select the plus symbol to add the target host. Select multiple hosts as well. Just select the host and click on Add to the target host list to create the direct mount workflows on multiple target hosts. Keep the cursor at mount point as I'm using the source file system database to create this workflow. So it will be mount as a file system on the target host. We can give any specific name you want for target file system. Else, Actifio will create the target mount point with the default standard naming convention. If source database is protected as ASM, and then you have to give a meaningful name for preferred disk group name option. If you are not specifying the name, then Actifio will create the ASM disk group with the standard naming convention. Please make a note, this option is applicable only for ASM databases. If you want to create a target database as a cluster database, then you have to enter the cluster IPs separated by the colon. I'm not going to select any values now because we are creating workflows for standalone file system database on the target. Ignoring the script and timeout options, as this will explain in other workflow demo with the script options. Now click on Enable Perform Application Aware Mount option. You can see App Aware Mount provisioning options as below. Scroll down to view the options. Now I'm going to choose few options as a part of this demo, like Target SID, Username, Target, Oracle Home, Target TNS Admin Path. I'm entering the values like for Target SID, username as Oracle, and details of Oracle Home and the TNS admin path. As for target database host, you can leave all rest of the fields. You can fill these all information as per your requirement. Now, scroll down further to view other options. From these options, I'm going to select Restore with Recovery. In this demo, our target DB will be a non-RAC database. So I'm going to select Standalone Non-RAC option. You can see other options as below, which I'm going to be highlight. not selecting any of these options in this demo. Once we are done with all options, click on Done. Now your workflow is created. A new screen will appear with the below options: workflow name, type, and the schedule type. You can see other options as well, like previous run, current run, and the next run. At this stage, if you want, you can modify any workflow settings you want. You can do that just by clicking on Edit option. If you want to run the workflow on demand, then select Run Now button, and a new screen will appear with these options. Source image, by default it will select the latest backup image, but if you want, you can select the latest or the older backup image. Now you can see the other options here, like create a new virtual application and refresh existing application. As in this demo, we are creating workflow for the first time. So I'm going to click on create new virtual application. Second time onwards, you can choose the refresh existing application to refresh the target app aware mounted database, which has created by using this workflow. Now you can click on Done, and now you can see a message at lower right corner that job initiated. Now under current run option, you can see a running job. Also, you can find the job progress of this app aware mount in the system monitor of Actifio desktop. Once the job is completed successfully, we can find the job status under previous run option, also in the system monitor window. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us for another YouTube Tech Tip video. If you like the content you're seeing on this channel, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you will be alerted to any future content.